Welcome back. In financial mathematics for grade 10, our next topic is hire purchase. What is hire purchase? Hire purchase is an arrangement for buying expensive goods where the buyer makes an initial down payment and pays the balance and interest in monthly installment. That is, you must pay a deposit equal to a specified percentage of the principal amount, and the remaining amount, known as the balance amount or outstanding balance, with interest must be paid back in monthly installments. Okay, that is hire purchase. And one important thing is the hire purchase is always calculated using simple interest. You have to use the simple interest formula, not the compound interest formula. Let's start with a question so you can comprehend it quickly. Eileen purchases a music system for 10,000 Rand on a hire purchase agreement. The agreement is that the loan is to be paid off over a period of 6 years with equal monthly payment at an interest rate of 8% per annum. The store demanded 10% cash deposit. So calculate, first question, the amount that Eileen actually paid. Okay, after all this hire purchase process, how much amount she is going to pay over the period of 6 years. Okay, so here we can see that the price for that item is 10,000 Rand, and the store demanded 10% cash deposit, isn't it? So you have to pay a deposit of 10% of the actual price, the principal price. What is the principal amount here? 10,000, isn't it? So you have to first calculate the deposit, that is 10% of 10,000, that is 10 over 100 times 10,000. Okay, 10%, what is that answer? 1,000 Rand, isn't it? 1,000 Rand. 1,000 Rand you have to pay as deposit, isn't it? Okay, now how much amount left there, or the balance amount? How much is that you have to pay over the period of 6 years? What is that balance amount? 10,000 minus 1,000, right? So it's going to be 9,000 Rand. This money you have to pay over the period of 6 years. That is, you have to pay it monthly, isn't it? How many months? If you change 6 years, that is 6 times 12, 72 months that you have to pay this 9,000. Remember, the interest is applied to this amount. Okay, so you have to calculate what will be the final amount after 6 years, because it is something like a loan. Okay, you have to pay this 9,000 Rand. So what will be the final amount? For that, you have to use simple interest formula, that is A is equal to P bracket 1 plus IN. You remember this formula, right? Okay, so I'm going to apply, that is, what is the interest rate? 8% is given, isn't it? 8%, that is the interest rate that the store is going to apply on 9,000 Rand. Clear? So it's going to be 9,000 1 plus, here the value of I is 8 over 100, that is 0,08, right? Times, and a number of years, 6 years, isn't it? Okay, so you have to calculate in simple interest formula. You have to use number of years. Don't change it into months. Okay, so in simple interest formula, when the value of n is number of years always. Okay, please don't change it into months. So the final, when you do it this one in the calculator, you will get the answer 13,320. Okay, so within the period of 6 years, actually you are paying not 9,000, you are paying 13,320. Make the last payment, the full amount is going to be 13,320, isn't it? And don't forget the deposit that you paid in the beginning. What is that? 10 or 1,000. So the question, the amount that Eileen actually paid is, that is the total cost. What is that? Total cost is this amount plus deposit also. That also gone from her pocket. That is 1,000 rand plus 13,320. So altogether 14,320 is the total cost or the amount that Eileen actually paid. It's clear. Okay, now we can go to the next question, that is the monthly repayment. When it comes to monthly repayment, you have to exclude that deposit that you paid already. What is that? 1,000 rand. Okay, so over the period of 6 years, you are paying actually rand 13,320. That is 9,000. That is the balance loan with the interest increased to rand 13,320. But she is given 6 years time to pay this amount using monthly installment. Therefore, each month she has to pay rand 13,320 divided by 72. How did I get 72? That is 6 times 12. That's how we change year to months. Therefore, the answer is rand 185. So this is the money she has to pay every month. So altogether how many months? 72 months. Clear? Baloi family bought a new launch seat for rand 7,999 on a hire purchase plan. They paid 800 deposit. Okay, the deposit you don't need to calculate here. The deposit amount is given. What is that? 800 deposit, and the balance over 27 months at 8% simple interest per annum. They also have to pay an amount of 24 rand 95 cent per month for insurance. Calculate their monthly payment. Guys, here they talk about an insurance amount of 24 rand 95 cent. So you have to include, after calculating, the actual monthly payment. Okay, you have to include 24 rand also together with the actual monthly payment. Okay, sometimes it can come like that. Okay, it's just an optional. Sometimes insurance is not there. If insurance is there, you have to consider that also. Is it clear? Okay, so first you have to calculate, leave the insurance part later. We can add, after calculating actual monthly payment, you can add 24 rand also, okay, because that is the insurance amount. So first you have to calculate what will be the monthly installment. Okay, so you need to know first what is the balance amount, because so deposit is given rand 800. So what is the balance loan or balance amount or outstanding balance is we can calculate. That is balance amount is, because you paid already the deposit 800, you have to subtract 800 from 7,999. That is, it's going to be around 7,999 minus rand 800. You have to calculate, which is going to be rand 7,199. Okay, this is the loan amount. This money you have to pay using how many years. So here it is given 27 months. Okay, remember when you use simple interest formula, that number of months you have to change it into number of years. Okay, so first you have to calculate the value of n. What is that? N is equal to, that is number of years, that is 27 months. Because it is given in months, you have to divide by 12. In an year, we know that 12 months are there. So when you convert, if months are given, you have to convert it into years by dividing 12. Okay, so 27 over 12 is equal to 2,25. Okay, that is the number of years. Now you have to calculate the amount that you are paying over the period of 27 months, that is, or over the period of 2,25 years, that is, A is equal to, you have to write the formula P1 plus IN. That is, what is P here? The balance loan, what that is 7,199, that after the subtraction of deposit. Okay, 7,199 bracket 1 plus, what is I here? Percentage 8%, that is 0,08, right, times number of years 2,25. So when you do this one, the answer is 8,494. 8,494,82. So this is the amount that you have to pay. Therefore, monthly installment is Rand 8494,82 divided by 27, which is going to be 314. When you use the calculator, 314,62. Okay, and that is the monthly installment. But don't forget, here their policy is they have to pay 24 Rand 95 cent with each monthly installment. That is also given. So this is not our final answer. So each monthly installment you have to add with the 24,95. Therefore, the final answer is Rand 339,57. Now we move to another category of hire purchase question. This question is much easier than the previous question, because here the deposit amount is given and monthly installment also given. Okay, Cassandra buys a computer on a hire purchase agreement. Its cost is 11,999. She pays a deposit of 2,000 and 24 monthly installment of 500. So the number of period also given. What is that? 24 months we have, and you have to pay 500 Rand. So 3.1, the total hire purchase price you have to calculate. So the total amount, the whole process, after the whole process, how much amount will go from your pocket? The total cost is equal to, here you have to consider the deposit. What is the deposit amount? That is 2,000 plus every month you are paying 500 Rand. This question is very easy. 500 Rand, how many times? Times 24 months. So this is how we are calculating the total cost. Here the percentage is not given. So it is very simple to do. Okay, so when you do this one, the answer is 14,000. So we are done. Okay, then 3.2, the amount of interest. Okay, because the actual price is 11,999 and you have to pay, the total cost is 14,000. So just take the difference, that is going to be the interest. Around 14,000 minus 11,999. Just subtract, you will get the answer. So the answer is 2,001. 2,001. 2,001 So this is the interest that you have to pay. Okay guys, so this is the homework that I want to give it to you. Just try this question because this same type of question we did it, and you can try this question. Just pause the video and just try this question. A student buys a TV set of 1000 rand on a hire purchase agreement. He agreed to pay a deposit of 20% and the balance over a period of 2 years in 24 monthly installment at 14% simple interest per annum. He also takes out an insurance premium of 18 rand 50 cent per month. Determine the amount of each installment. Okay, same type of example 2. So you can do this question. Alright guys, I'm going to stop this video here. I hope you liked it. In my next video, we will talk about questions based on compound interest, such as inflation and population growth. Until then, good luck.